Dietrich?
Yes, Your Honor, it is. I apologize. I was in Florida yesterday and tried to Zoom on with y'all, but I was having
Who
problems.
did you send? Who did you send all the information to?
I sent the information to your chief.
I don't have a chief. So let me do
Far-
this. I'm going
Far-
to send you
Farwa-
an email address.
Farwa Nakwi?
Okay. Just give me a second, Ms. Dietrich.
Sure, Judge.
Do you want to check on Huljev? Did you get an email from Mr. Dietrich? H-U-L.
Oh, that's the,
It's a, right.
yeah, the community service. I got it. I'll bounce this one.
All right, they're going to dismiss it now.
Okay, thanks, Your Honor. Have a good day, Judge.
You too, man. Take care.
You too, Judge. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Contract.
Yeah, just the last name of your client, please.
Alvarez Madrona.
Okay.
So approved for PTI, last time we were here, he did a walkthrough TRS, which was great. The report was just sent to them yesterday, prosecution, I know. So he's already got an appointment today to get the machine, so. I guess-
Great. So let's give you a week.
Yeah, right?
Huh?
He'll go ahead and get the.
Sure, but just get him ready to all, do you have the contract yet or no?
No, they just got the TRS yesterday.
Got it. Okay, so let's set you off a week. That way you guys, if he gets the interlock today, just between now and then, if you get them all the documents, they'll file the supervision order
Right.
prior to the next setting and then he doesn't have to be here.
And I'll just prepare him. The only thing is he'll need to come in person and pay that 300. I'll just prepare him.
But I would do it a couple days prior to the next setting. That way he doesn't have to come here. But if they haven't filed the supervision order by the next setting, he's got to be here.
No, I understand. So
Okay.
If y'all can get it to me, like, so he has at least a day to go pay that.
Oh, yeah. I mean, hopefully they'll get you, assuming they have everything,
They should.
probably today or tomorrow. Do you have everything? Do you see? Are you missing like insurance or?
I
think we got the, yeah, insurance. Has it got the product?
Yes, no, yes, Alvarez Madrona, Alvarez Madrona, no way.
Yeah, I think they got
Just
everything.
last name, please.
Or what, oh, because that's your buddy.
No,
But
but
the Alvarez
just,
Madrona is one word, I mean, it's. last
okay, it's,
I think the last thing we were waiting on was the TRS, so.
okay, great. We'll give you a week.
Can you snap it up so that we can?
Have you sent it already? They've got it. You're good.
Yeah, we'll get.
Well, it's up to Mr. Henry.
The powers that. be,
Right. They're the ones that will send it.
Okay.
Right. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you next week.
Have fun. Hey, Joseph, last name of your client, please.
Elaine with an A.
Okay? This case is 2,581 days.
It was in warrants for quite some time, Judge, and so I just got recently retained on it and it's my first appearance on it.
So we gave him a general order bond in 2019, failed to appear. He paid another out-of-county bond in February, failed to appear again. Now he's paid another bond. Mr. Elaine, come up.
Judge, just so you know, he had some devastating health issues that he was dealing with during this time, so it wasn't.
I don't care. Every time you miss court, we double, triple, quadruple. Your bond is set at 10,000 now. You miss again, it's going to quadruple or quintuple. And at some point, you're going to get the message that you have to come to court. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You cannot continue to miss and expect good things to happen. You become a flight risk. And when you're a flight risk, we make bonds go up, and you're throwing money away to bonding companies.
Yes, sir. And I'm just saying.
Stop. you still have to show up to court. You have an open DWI. You understand?
Yes, sir.
We are not asking for much. We just want you to show up. When you show up, good things happen. You're charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and/or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. Okay, please.
On February 23rd, 2019, officer observed a vehicle facing the wrong way on Northwest Freeway. Officer made contact with the driver who was identified as the defendant. Defendant stated he lost control of his vehicle while turning. The officer observed the odor of alcoholic beverage emitting from defendant's breath, glassy eyes, and slurred speech. Officer asked defendant how much alcoholic beverages he had. He answered 2 Crown and Coke. Sorry, I'm giving 1 second. When defendant was asked to step out of the vehicle, defendant was unable to maintain his balance and stumbled out of the vehicle. Standard field sobriety tests were conducted, 6 out of 6 HPN. 2 out of 8 not concurrent, and 2 out of 4 one night stand. DIC was read and defendant provided a breath sample. Results were 0.12 and 0.117.
Any prior DWIs? Do you mind running an NCIC?
Yes, I'm running with this right now.
Thanks. And then if he has a license, please. So, Mr. Ruiz, I'm going to give you some time, but not a lot. This case is beyond old. To give you perspective, we set cases for trial at 180 days. Your case is 2,581 days old.
No prior to the Your Honor, and his license is not eligible.
Okay, you are not allowed to drive. I don't care that you have to go to the hospital. I don't care that you're disabled. I don't care that you have to get groceries. If you don't have a license and insurance, then you are not allowed to drive. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm just asking you to follow the law. Also, as a condition, I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. Is discovery complete?
We're still getting a hold of the videos, Your Honor, and we sent it, I think.
We just requested it at the judge.
Okay, so I'm not going to give you guys a lot of time. Please get on it. I'm not going to waive his appearance just due to the age. I'm going to give you I'll give you 2 weeks to get the videos. We'll come back, assuming discovery is complete. I'm going to give you another 30 days. And then at that point, you guys can come back and let us know what you guys want to do. I don't know if he's still eligible for PTI. I don't know if they're offering it. If that's something that you want to do, you have to get on it now though, because due to the age of the cases. I'll give you a little bit of time, but I mean, really, okay? Like I said, if you take off again, I'm going to be, I cannot tell you how upset I'm going to be. You understand? You have a lawyer. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with Mr. Ruiz. If he tells me he cannot get a hold of you because you're playing games, once again, I will revoke your bond. You're the one that's supposed to remain in compliance. That includes no driving. Please. I'm going to have you sign a promise with me. This is an affidavit that you're going to swear to me today that you're not going to drive. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. All right. We'll see you in 2 weeks just to do a status check on the discovery. And then after that, we'll give you 30. Okay?
Thanks, sir.
Okay, please. Hi. Yeah, are you ready?
Yes.
Just give me one. Let me make sure Veronica's. Veronica, did you hear about Mr. Allen? Okay. Can I give you a cause number? You don't have a docket, so it's 224-8336. No drugs, no alcohol, no driving. He doesn't have a license. Random testing. This case is around 2,500 days old, so we're going to kind of fast track. Okay. He's right there. And then I still need him to sign an affidavit before we let him go. Got it. Okay. Thank you. Joseph, please tell him he can't leave until he signs the affidavit in. Okay. Thanks. Mr. Rodriguez, you were charged with racing on a highway. You were facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On March 12th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer observed trucks line up next to each other and begin to race. Officer caught up to both vehicles and got behind one of the vehicles that was traveling 89 miles per hour in a 65 mile per hour zone. A traffic stop was conducted and the driver was identified as defendant.
Say it again.
A traffic stop was conducted.
Before that, how can you prove that they were racing?
Officers observed the two trucks line up next to each other and then begin to race. And then got under the vehicle.
Begin to race is a very conclusory term. You know, it's like saying he's weaving, right? Or he's speeding. I need a little bit more than that.
So this is from the DIN, Your Honor. One of the vehicles was observed gaining a lead on the other vehicle.
Better. That's what I'm asking for. Correct.
The operator turned his hazard lights on, which officer knows from his training and experience is an indication that symbolized who won the race.
Okay, so which one did that one?
That was.
And then is there a co-defendant in this case as well?
No co-defendant, Your Honor. I'm taking a look at which vehicle was the one with the hazard lights. Yes. The defendant's doing case one, is the hazard file.
Great. Okay, Mr. Rodriguez, I'm going to find that there is probable cause to go forward with your case. Does he have a license to drive?
Your Honor, we don't have a driver's license.
Do not?
We don't have a driver's license.
You are not allowed to drive. You do not have a Texas driver's license. If I find that you do, I'm going to put you in jail and I'm going to make your bond high. I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country with proper permission, you go to jail and immigration finds you, they will put a detainer on you and you will be stuck in there for many months. Do you understand? This is the only either Spanish or English. You asked for the interpreter, so please. You must abide by these conditions. I'm going to protect my community at all costs. And if I have to put you in jail, I don't care how young you are. I will do it in a heartbeat. Do you understand? I will not warn you again. You will be signing a promise with me. This is an affidavit that you're not going to drive. You cannot justify any reason to drive. You do, it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand me? How old are you, sir? How old are you?
19.
How do you support yourself?
I'm looking at kids. I work.
What do you do for a living?
I work in the very.
Okay, doing what?
I feel. What is salary bar for person?
And how much money do you make a month?
Around 2,000.
Who do you live with?
Okay, me with my mother. We don't take it.
What kind of car was he driving?
I think it was a Hyundai or Honda.
It was a what?
Hyundai.
And what year was it? Irma,
The only information I have, they did was the fire code at
I need to know everything about you if you want to apply for a court-appointed lawyer, whether, how many cars you have, what year the car is, how much money you have coming in, any other sources of income, and then we will see whether you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Let me give you one more piece of information. For people who participate in these types of actions, the DA's office has started seizing cars, taking cars away from people who participate in these types of activities. Do you hear me?
Yes.
All right,
Your
Come on.
Honor, I still be here.
great. All right, come on. I'm gonna give him an app. Yes, state's bond, if you, no racing, no reckless driving, street takeovers, donuts, et cetera. And well, no driving, we can't drive. So just put no driving.
Yes.
You looking for an affidavit?
Yes, Judge, because we don't have anything that's we don't, I don't have it on file.
Victoria, where did we get the affidavit
I
from?
was kept an original there, would you like the bilingual one, the English and Spanish? I used to keep it down there, now, no, it's like.
Exactamente tomar asiento porque no tengo el documento para hacer. Ok, so va a tener que tomar asiento.
Se los financial
Yeah, I should have saved it. It didn't occur to me. Let's see if I have any more.
Sorry, I didn't mean to call you.
An affidavit. No driving, but the ones that have it in Spanish as well as English, that's fine.
Okay, well, that's fine.
Did you know? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I got,
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Oh, I know why I was sure.
I'm just figuring, yeah, you didn't know that.
Okay, tell me why it's. Yeah, maybe she wasn't good. She wasn't good.
That's too.
I will, are you gonna meet anyone, because, it's a district company, so I'm going to edit the one we have, but
Oh,
as
that's
of
not,
right now, I'll just scratch it out.
okay.
Document.
Thank you so much for finding it.
Elaine?
He's right there. He's talking. Yeah, just give us.
Yeah. Thank you. My concern? Yeah. But I just have to. Oh, it's here.
This is that he lives in Dallas.
And where?
He lives in Dallas.
That's a problem.
Oh.
He's gonna test it at Quest Diagnostics and get it to you guys then. But it's up to him to get it and then get it to you guys. So, okay, sure.
I'll find out.
Yeah. When it comes up. No, we don't take loans and interest there. So either you'll have a state pay out for it or whatever you should have it signed. Or you can get it, then you can go and something to have it signed, which you how the other attorneys do it, but you can have to do that. But if for whatever reason you can't do it, this will have to be. So they, I just send it out, they already have your signatures on.
Oh, I see.
Oh, well, we're on your.
Yeah,
No, they
okay.
won't have your signatures, they'll just have to come in and share it, and then you'll have to re-sign it. No, he's signed already, so they print it out, but I don't think they're printing it out from anything. Well, we can see, normally whenever they print it out, we can have like, probably they already show out, but then have there.
Okay.
But you can see with the hours, that they have, it has your signature, then even
Maybe
better.
just go back over there and see if they can bring it to the courtroom. I mean, they can appear in court.
And even like, also down here.
She's, it's female, so she's in custody.
Just, you know, hold over to it.
What's up?
I'm trying to talk with my client to sign the, keeping form.
Yeah, so I already let him know that we don't take the signatures up here, so he can have, you can do a paper for me, the state can print it out for you.
We don't do signatures from defendants coming out now?
I mean, you know, it was. It was sort of like shifting that it is a last resort kind of a thing, if they're needed to print it out,
But who can't print it out?
or the state.
If not, I can go next door and have, see if they'll bring her into the courtroom, you go to the computer and.
You're pleased with us, right? So what's, I mean, I don't understand what the problem is.
Yeah, so you can just print it out, or just sign it.
What if they don't want to print it?
We cannot take the because it's even part of
And
that.
we bring her here, right here, to the courtroom.
It's a security risk.
So then sometimes just.
Okay, so let me contact, who's in the district clerk's office that I need to get a hold of?
Messiah Mills and we need to look.
I can ask them to print it out right now.
So much unnecessary drama, man. I mean, really.
Yeah.
No, you saw somebody.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
I don't know about. It's the regulation.
I asked. This chair lets me watch. Yeah.
Literally gave him an answer, still went and finished it. Yeah, you can have it printed out. And he disregarded what he said. But I'm both sides. But it looks like he sent them the other stuff today. Take responsibility of those no one directs you to do it. This is one that you are two hundred days and I think you guys are one. That's what I'm saying. Let us know because we usually know this.
Sorry.
Isn't your one?
Thank you.
If
you haven't put any determination, I'm gonna pass.
Like gender identity or judge, I think I'll sign the document, but these signs them today. I'll hold it. That one.
When can you reset it next month's time?
No. The trouble. Which day? Monday.
How about the full trip?
I'll send you 4886.
Okay.
Oh, you guys should smart.
Yes.
If you find out, that don't be your mom.
Wow.
Right. We just go ahead. I'm sorry. Important information. Okay, perfect. I understand that. Thank you. Yes. And I've never been over it.
Oh, anything come up?
Let me see. I had to look at my. My Russian was today. I'm fine today. What is this?
Well, it's in the leaves.
Yeah.
They are ready, so we can only vote no, and we're ready for us.
Yes.
Okay, so this is more.
No, I was already, sorry, thanks.
I don't
It's
see it
been
now.
so long. I got two more people with dogs. Oh, I can see that.
Council, for Villegas. Yeah, just. They're on one.
Yes.
Good morning, Commissioners. Ms. Villegas, before you go into this motion, like if anyone other would go ahead and raise your right hand and just sign up for any other not been convicted of felony in this state or any other state. And you're also the judge to face one for names for the chair. And it's just an injury. Yeah. To put your hand down, we're going to put him just for the other. Don't mention that you like anything.
Pauline Howard. Pauline Howard.
Okay, so just the question is the same. And that's what I said. I'm still working on the record. But I'm sharing. All the stuff we have.
It's just on each other. A couple of weeks ago.
Oh, a few weeks ago.
That's a long time.
It's a long time.
A long time to be out the internet.
Yes, it is. It's always pretty back in the day. This is about one of these standards.
Hey,
Judge, I got Mr. Chavez from being taken into custody. You think of that case, well, I'm on for that case.
Yeah.
Attorney Monson.
I've got the bond set or whatever, they're set at 2501 and 100.
Okay,
I guess I'll leave the bond as is, but I'm not giving him another PR bond,
sounds good.
you know?
Yeah.
So he needs to sign bond conditions before we send him, so that he's not, doesn't go
He's
back.
in, he's in the holdup.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So
Okay, I'll let the, court.
off the phone, please.
Oh, sorry, it's technical attorneys.
I don't,
Should I?
just, no, take a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Hey, Mr. Butte,
Good morning.
Sorry.
that's okay. Thanks, Abel, for being
Yes, sir.
patient.
Chris, he was on the docket just to leave over what to do. We were able to work out a PQI agreement. It was really short, and so the time to finish the conditions.
So it's 200 days old. Did you just get a new offer today?
Yes, sir, Judge.
What offer?
It's PTI with effective decision-making, 4 hours anger management, 4 hours community service, no threatening, harassing contact with Nancy Crest.
Okay, so you're at 193 days old. Like I said, we'll give you 2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks.
At that time, though, if it's not done,
I
okay,
understand, Judge.
all right,
Thank you.
thanks.
Good morning.
Judge.
Hi, please. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
What's up?
I'm here on Mr. Watson.
Okay.
For St. Clement, so, I spoke to Mr. Watson this morning, apparently he was never notified about his birthday party of the day. I just talked to pretrial services and apparently pretrial, and never notified him that he was supposed to be here today.
No, well, we sent you guys an email.
Yes, and so I'm blowing up my sword that I did not tell Mr. Watson, I was caught in my chaos, that was my fault. That I did not tell him, so it is not Mr. Watson's fault, it is my fault. I was under the assumption that pretrial also reaches out to them, but that had not been done, so that is completely my fault. That he is not here today, he is set for tomorrow, so he will be here for sure tomorrow.
We picked up a new case.
Yes, sir.
With the transition, you speak, I've not gotten any of the BVRs that have been signed. I'm currently sifting through trying to find both of them.
I email on every BVR, I email it to the lawyer unless they don't have a lawyer in case. And then I tell whoever initiated the BVR, I tell that person to reach out to the defendant to come. But I tell the lawyers so that they're supposed to get the client, fine. Well, SFBF tomorrow if he fails to appear tomorrow. But,
Yes, Judge.
okay,
I apologize, thank you.
don't worry about it. But tomorrow, if he doesn't appear,
Yes, Judge.
I'm going bananas.
Of course, Judge.
All right. Okay.
You should let the judge the conversation. So if the judge the conversation.
No.
Yeah.
Hey,
How you doing, Doc?
come on up.
Yes, sir.
I'm here on two cases.
Okay,
I
who's
just
first?
called my office, they are refiling the motion to withdraw on both of them.
Well, it depends on how old they are, depends on if they're here. I just don't blanket grant.
And I
So
understand.
what's just last name? Who's the first person?
First person is, Gonzalez. Vic.
Okay, that is 66 days old. So what we'll do is I'm going to set it for bond forfeiture for 1 week and just reach out to the defendant to let them know they have to be here.
No problem.
Which one, Judge?
Top of page 13.
You have a date on that?
Victoria will get it for you. I don't care.
Yes.
Oh, he's here.
Yes, Judge.
Yeah, no, I went out there, I looked for him, called his name twice.
It is 10 o'clock, so typically they try to go before because at this time.
I don't know. So I guess let's hold on that because he checked in. He's here.
Okay.
And who's your other one?
Marlene Alvarez.
Okay, that is also the same time. That's also, did this person, Deputy Williams, on top of page 3, did she check in? Alvarez, did she check in? Okay, so on that one, she's not here. So we'll set you for bond for 1 week, reach out to the defendant, let them know they have to be here. If they don't show up at that point, I will grant your motion and I'll issue a warrant. If they do show up, we'll have a powwow. Okay?
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
And I'm gonna go out there and look for Mr. Gonzalez.
Okay.
Yeah, so they, you know. They've been messed up. Thank you.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, what is just the last name of your client, please? Okay,
I know cases that were up to potentially warrant a pretrial setting. However, we just got a good amount of data, given to us yesterday. Can we get one more reset?
yes, I'll give you another reset, but then at the next setting, it's clear trial. It's, you now are at 150 days. By the next setting, it'll be 180. So on that next setting, he's got to be here and it's either clear trial.
Yeah, same day or?
Correct.
Okay,
That's right. It's 180 days. It's clear trial at that time.
understood.
Yeah.
All right.
So he must either accept a plea bargain on that day and we do the plea, or we'll set it for trial.
That's right. That's right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, have fun. Hey, hi Bernard. What's up, man?
I sent Durban on document. I just want to give you a heads up. Everything's in on PTI. We have to contact the company to get the actual like paper. I know that
If it's not all done, I'm rolling it till tomorrow.
So everything's in, just that we're just waiting for the PTI to green light these. That's all.
Okay, I'm either, let's wait till today, otherwise I'm rolling it to tomorrow. I mean, it's,
So I can.
you're now at 250 days. I'm rolling it day for day until it gets done.
Understood.
Yeah.
Maybe this morning, I guess.
Yeah, hopefully, I don't know. So let's wait till the end of docket. If it's not done, we'll just roll it till tomorrow and then hopefully they'll, reach out to Mr. Henry, say, hey, can you, are you ready? And hopefully they'll say it. Okay, for sure. Hey, what's up, dude?
How you doing?
Great to see you, man.
Hey, it's the same, good to see you. I had, was in your box,
Last name?
Washington.
Washington.
I signed on, to this case yesterday. I signed on, you set for the 23rd, but I believe.
He's got a BVR.
Yeah. So we can address that. I think I know what it's about regarding a missed test. He actually called me. He showed up to the place and there was some car issues. Showed up to the place, but they wouldn't take him. So I had him go do his.
Yeah, if they show up at like 4:30 in the afternoon, I mean, you have to show up prior to that. So I don't know. Veronica, have we sent him today? Okay, so we're gonna send him
That's
now
fine. That's fine.
and then hopefully he's negative and then we'll just go from there.
That's fine.
Oh,
Oh, no, you're good.
No, I think it's a new, it's a missed test.
So I
I don't, unless he picked up something out of county, can you? That's okay. So we'll send it for a test. Don't worry about it. But hopefully it's negative. Yeah. And then, you want to roll to tomorrow or do you want to wait till later today? How do you want to do it?
How soon will the results be back?
It's gonna be a while because it's already 10:15 by the time he gets down there. It's gonna be 10:30, 10:45. It's gonna take presumably at least 2 to 3 hours.
And we had already, like I said, I had him go to the lab for a test.
No, but I know about the labs where people go. So I'd trust these more. But if you want to, we can put it on. We'll send them to test now and then put them on and we can deal with the results on Monday if you want. Okay. Yeah, we'll send him now. He's got to come back Monday and hopefully he's negative. Okay. All right. Great to see you, man.
Wait, I still, I don't know what it's called. I got one. But yeah, you can go. But I don't know what it's. Let me go pick your. Yes, yeah. I should do that. I didn't figure out. Good morning.
Let's go talking, please. Just.
Andrea was next midday.
Yeah, we just got more deal. Yeah.
She can't leave. Don't let her leave. No, in the jury box.
Yes. Okay, so they're gonna go on the back second shot. I'm just gonna do that.
Victoria.
And then Ori was like.
And I'm not going to because I'm weak. Okay. Yeah. No, no. Straight.
Yeah.
They're the same way.
Yeah, you don't.
Well, I was, yeah, so I think that we're gonna send it, we're gonna have to do it, but.
Yeah.
Y para salvarlo, no vas a intentar otra vez porque ya no me va a pasar. Tú ya sabes que te tengo que hablar.
No. No, I was talking about, yeah, okay. I don't know what it is. I think it's not there. I was just.
Okay. What was it doing? It is so.
Yeah.
Is what it's like. I was like, you have this wearing people for the investigation. Mr. Elaine. Hey, there were a lot of. Yeah. You know Mr. Elaine Ledbury? Elaine. Okay, so I was over that he was had a suit on. He's earlier. Give me 1 second. Yeah, give me 1 second. I mean, Mr. I think Mr. I didn't spend 50 minutes. Yeah, no, I was gonna say, there's some. Asking other thing, I also believe in thinking to get people to that. So, yeah, anything else in the, so. I don't know, people tend to be excited, don't have all the words I'm using, but we have understanded this. Yeah, anything about it, it's been.
You know, the last time I did like, you all those potential. Yes. Oh, I. And it gave the. And I didn't say it.
No, me conté un poco.
Yeah. How are you? Yeah, I'll take it.
I'm sure he has his problems with the
I'm content with voting now. And I say for that, no, because we vote, but it is not, it's not sure. Yes, you could stay on.
I've already received this.
It's kind of divided explanation. Then I trust it.
What's up, voting
Yeah. I don't know what my. I know it's too short. Today, we're blind.
Yeah.
I could be.
And,
he needs to say.
Here, actually, I will have to say, this thing is actually like the same. And.
I know the plan. But he's already on the probation. So we had to work with that.
And yeah, who said it was
Yeah, keep them on.
Is it for process?
Maybe it is.
Yeah, I don't know. That's
Straight up.
So I'm at odds with the district clerk's office on how to go forward with accepting signatures and everything. We're trying to work on it now. It's,
Okay.
so that's what I'm working on, how we're gonna do that now. So
Okay,
you just have that one plea. Is that all you have?
That's it, it's done, I returned to the paper,
You ready to go? Have she signed?
she's ready to go, she signed it.
Okay,
She's
let's do it.
actually
All right.
Right here.
Let's go. Let's do it.
Oh, she just didn't get it done, I thought she'd already gone.
So she did, but they.
Because he's on balance, that's all he wants. He did something.
Is it on that? Let me see. It's like, can I see? But he's doing like maybe something about
Okay, counsel, do you want to talk to me while we're waiting?
Yes.
Please, come on. Oh, you have a plea too?
Well.
Jail or bond? I- How are we doing bond pleas now? Are you signed? Okay. Hold on. Oh, let me.
It's over here.
She's good.
Thank you.
If you're on the.
What is her last name?
Salgado,
That's right.
SALGADO.
What do we, do you know, what are we doing?
Judge, this is the one that, she has 3 cases, state is dismissing 2 of them, she's taken 180 days on one. This is the one that.
Yeah, I remember. So are they dismissing 2 of them or
That's
just, okay,
They're dismissing the first DWI and the PCS. She's pleading guilty to the second DWI.
okay. So how was jail? We don't want much in our here. We want our streets safe. And we're going to do everything in our power to protect it. And you need to understand this. Every time you get pulled over, officers will see DWI, PCS. You smell like alcohol, you smell like dope, it's probably going to go sideways really quick. Do you understand? I hope that this was a learning lesson because it's unacceptable to put, every day someone is dying from a DWI in our county and it's so not fair. Take an Uber. Do you understand? The agreement that you have worked out is 180 days in jail with the credit that you have earned. As part of the agreement, they're going to dismiss your second DWI and the possession of a controlled substance. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, this will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. Do you understand? How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty and I'm going to send it to you to the 180 days in jail. So you said they're going to dismiss the old one, Marcos?
Yes,
Or the
Your
new
Honor.
one?
Yes, sir. I just filed the dismissals for the 2 other cases.
So there were.
Got it. All right, ma'am, I am going to suspend your license. I'm going to suspend it for 1 year. Do not drive. If you drive, that is a suspended license case and you could be facing another 180 days in jail. Do you understand? Okay. All right. Good luck to you, ma'am. Thank you, Marco. You got it.
Yes.
If you don't mind, please waive the fee on this. Please. You have Miss, is it Miss Villegas?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Miss Villegas, come up. Ma'am, you are charged with driving while intoxicated. It is elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the high blow. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. I'd like to see if she's eligible for sober court. Okay. I think with both of these, I think they're probably sober court.
I'm sorry, Judge, I'm not aware of this conversation.
Oh, okay. Well, so you're going to do a TRAS to see what other conditions you may need. You must fulfill all the conditions that are assessed. If they say inpatient treatment, it might be inpatient treatment, and by outpatient, it might be sober court, whatever it is, you must fulfill these conditions. Do you understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So she has 2 DWIs. They're going to dismiss one of them, I'm assuming.
You're showing the Class B, the older case.
So understand, if you violate these conditions, you are looking at up to a year in jail. If you consume alcohol, you drive without a license, you drive without an interlock, don't do your community service on time, repeat offender DWI education. It is it's 1 year in Harris County Jail to be probated for 2 years. You must do an effective decision-making class, a repeat offender DWI education class, 2 victim impact panels, no breath test refusal. If you get pulled over and an officer asks you to submit a breath test, you must do it while you're on probation. A $500 donation to Mothers Against Drunk Driving. You must maintain a guardian interlock and 20 hours of community service. Does this how you understand the agreement? How do you plead to the offense, guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty and I'm going to follow this agreement. I will sentence you to it. Good luck to you, man. Thank you, sir.
Judge, I
Oh.
just want to add the donations to man can't be more than $50. So if man changes to $50, is over, it's now. That's okay.
Okay, sure. How's that possible?
But this, we have like limits on how many people pay like outside of the. Yeah, $100.
Okay,
It's $100 and only $450 in the street.
Honor, I know it's conditional bond, she had to surround device. As far as occurred before the show, are we able to get that off?
yes. Is her license eligible or not eligible?
Your Honor.
Please.
Eligible, Your Honor.
Okay, she must maintain she has to get an interlock first. Once she gets the interlock, at that point, we'll take off the scram. We'll take off the GPS with the curfew as well. Okay,
Thank you.
okay. All right, good luck, man.
Thank you.
Hi,
Hey, Judge.
come on up,
How
sir.
you doing?
What's up, man?
We have Mr. Warren.
In jail or on bond?
He is in jail.
In jail.
42.
Thank you.
More P judge. Just trying to get a feel for the court here.
He picked up another case in another county, didn't he?
No, he's tested positive.
Oh, for cocaine.
Repeatedly.
Right.
Our position, Judge, was that I think it's probably appropriate to keep him on probation if the court is willing and or reevaluate him for treatment.
I think you're probably right. Let's do another TRAS to see what do you think it's taken?
Well, I think that my client has indicated that he realizes that he does have issues, and so he would rather not go on probation if that includes intensive inpatient, and so he would like to plead out. So And as an alternative, maybe 90 days, 60, 90 days, you have about 9 days credit.
I was not willing to offer that, Judge.
Yes, sir.
I think he needs treatment. He's 21.
What's happening with the law?
He's got, he did drug use.
All the other cases that he's got now, is it all dope related as well?
So I started looking at them, they're assault related. I don't know if, I can't tell from the Dems in my quick check whether or not drugs or alcohol was a symptom of that. I do know that sometimes that can be, but I don't know if that's the case here.
I think she's right. Let's do a TRS, see what it says. Okay? Do you mind scheduling it? And then we'll go from there. We'll come back. We'll try to get it as soon as possible. Today's Thursday. I'd say probably at the earliest would be Monday or Tuesday. I'm not gonna just throw him to the wind. We've done that here now. You know, he's done, we're now on number 4 within a year and a half, you know, and he's testing positive for cocaine. I don't want him to graduate to felony court. So,
Does you have a bond amount?
sure, yeah,
What is that amount?
20.
20,000? Would you consider reduction on that, yeah?
No, while he was on bond, he probably had 5 BVRs over and over and over. And now just,
You consider, I think 10,000 would probably be a bit more appropriate than that. I think that's just kind of out of range there. So I'm just asking for something that you got a shot at.
I mean, it was 10 before because of how many times he had violated conditions. You know what I mean? It was just over and over. So, I don't know. Let me do the TRAS and see where we go from there. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Judge
Hi,
Everett,
please.
Judge, I'm here on Miss Moll, MOLL/Andrews.
Okay.
She offered PTI, Your Honor,
See.
made significant progress on the issues we discussed on our last study.
In jail? Or-
No, Judge.
I don't see it. M with an M?
MOLL/and, or it could be Andrews
It's Andrew's dad.
/Moll.
Okay. So today is plea or trial day.
Well, we've signed the PTI contract, Judge, and we've made significant progress on the license issue.
What does
There's
that mean?
2 tickets out in Moco that we need to handle.
She's had since December.
And we've got the SR-22, the insurance process with DPS, reinstatement fee process with DPS. I've emailed everything to the state.
How much time do you want?
I would say 90 days. They're offering 6 months PTI, but I would say in 90 days, we got it done. We already have a court date at City of Houston Municipal Court in June 5th. And a lot of times those officers don't appear.
Have you signed the agreement already?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay, so let's do this. We'll do a status. What day is it? Court date?
June 5th.
Okay, so I'm not going to do another reset in hopes after that she continues to just,
Sure.
so let's do a reset. The tickets must be taken care of by that court date. If they're not taken care of, we're done. And I'm not doing any more resets. She's got to accept the agreement or we move on.
That sounds good, Judge.
Okay, so what was the date?
June 5th. Can we
So-
do that
What date?
Thursday?
Hold on.
Oh, that following Monday, Judge?
June 5th. Sure, the 8th.
Thank
Okay,
you.
if the tickets are not taken care of,
We're on it, Judge. Thank you.
okay. Okay, hi.
Hey, Claire.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm Mr. Kubara, to feed on bond documents.
Okay,
He is charged with innovating and then possessed out of the same transaction, the theft and felony part. Where we are is, we do not have the body worn camera footage in of the actual evading, which is holding up the whole process. It looks like the state has put in.
He's got a-
escalated request.
he's got a BVR.
Yes, BBR, so he is here today. I talked to Procedural Services, it sounds like there are some issues with the GPS monitoring, having a no signal. And I asked specifically about that, but Procedural could let the court know as well.
He was on a large property out in the border. His family has a trailer park home out there, and so it's kind of a larger property, and it sounds like a big one down there. So that's what it's.
Yes, sir. We just are unable to obtain any signal for long periods of time. And
How is it? I mean, you can either get a signal or you can't get a signal. It's not like it's gonna just not work unless it's not charging and he's letting the battery go dead.
we don't see that the battery is going dead because when the signal drops, the battery is at like 67%.
It just happens to go out at 11 PM and then it turns back on at 10 AM.
I think there was some that was in the morning as well, but that's.
So there was a 3 AM to 8 AM on.
Everything is always in the middle of the night.
Which maybe when Starlink is not.
Dubious, you know?
Your Honor, he does live on a big property out there. It's not like the battery is dropping dead. There's no cut. I don't like. Rural area.
Not only that, this is the second beef.
It is, sir. Before it was like a minute or it was a late entry, but I believe I told the court he was babysitting his cousin and on that home, something.
Do you have an offer on this case?
We just put in a time served offer today. Again, there's a felony out of the same transaction. We don't even have the body worn camera footage from the actual the.
What? Come on, man.
Judge, I'm being told that we are trying to get the body worn camera.
You have 10 days.
Yes, John.
In that 10 days, be ready as well, because it's just way too much drama. I don't want to have to put him in jail, but we're now here on a second violation and it's just way too much drama. So
Ellen is set on April the 7th. Maybe we put that thing today. I know it's not exactly 10 days, but that's.
no. I'm setting it 10 days. If they don't have the video to you in 10 days, this case is done. It's dead in the water. I don't care. Cases are hitting 200 days just because we're not getting stuff on time and I'm sick of it. You either get the evidence or let's move on. I have enough drama in my life. I don't need any more. So they have 10 days to get everything to you. If it's not here. Okay, all right. Any more violations? I'm a third. That's it. I don't know what to tell you, but
Understood.
I don't understand how it could just spontaneously at 3 a.m. go out when every other, it just, it doesn't pass the smell test. You know what I mean? Right. So just admonish your client accordingly, please. And then we'll set it 10 days. Just do your best. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Morning.
Hi.
On your off docket under Vera Acosta, I can give you the cause number when you're ready.
Is it not on docket today?
No.
Okay. What's your cost number?
2605
Mhm.
459.
2605.
459.
Is that enough numbers? Yeah, I see it. Okay.
Yes, I'm approaching to amend bond conditions for the curfew. We tried a few weeks ago, last week actually. And you said to come back when she does have an offer letter from a job. She just got it a couple of days ago from the Dairy Queen and they're asking her to work from 4 to 11 PM. So could we please amend her conditions to reflect the curfew to.
How far does she live from home to the place?
I'm not exactly sure, Your Honor,
So
but they're
let's-
asking her to work up to 11 PM.
So, right, I'm okay with her working, but I'm not giving her till midnight. She's got to, if she's done working at 11, she's got to clean up, right? That takes a little bit of money, that takes a little time.
Right.
We need to calculate how far it takes her to get home. So once she's done with work, she has to go straight home. She's not allowed to go to Burger King or 7-Eleven or this or that. So we need to know how long it takes her to get home so we can modify the condition to
Okay,
allow
I'll figure
her
that
just to
out,
get
and then
home.
I'll reapproach.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Clyde, what's up, man?
Doreen Seville.
Okay.
Ms. Seville was in the DWI chat program. She is no longer in the program. The state has made it a time served offer.
I'm down if you want it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you do on the license suspension?
180.
Would you consider 90?
No, she mucked up. No. If it were a straight plea on the first and like no issues where she's just doing all day, but she's here now because she's,
I'm gonna talk to her about that. It's, I was hoping we would do the 90, but I understand.
I was hoping to have hair.
I understand.
So yeah, I mean, there has to be some kind of consequence. I mean, she's still getting out of here. There's no jail time, but you know, you need to understand that really.
Yeah.
You can't just continue to
I get-
and expect good things.
If she wants a day or two to think on it, can I set it till Monday?
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Not from-
You have until Monday.
All right. Thanks.
Okay. But on Monday, she either accepts it or I'm setting it for trial
Yes.
and I'm not taking anything else after that.
No, I understood.
Okay, all right. Ms. Hudson, come on in.
Yeah, I posted on the docket now. Case number is 518-178.
Okay,
If the case that was dismissed, but I realized when I was looking in the purchase portal that, I think the bond was forfeited because he didn't show.
it doesn't matter. If it's dismissed, it's dismissed. It doesn't matter. Everything goes away anyways.
Okay, so he gets his money.
Oh, that I don't know.
If I understood the document.
I don't know. That's between where he posted the bond, the agreement. I don't know. I don't get in the middle of that.
Okay.
I don't know. Sorry.
Good morning, Judge.
Hi, Jesse.
This is Rosales.
Okay,
State wants a time to evaluate the case. The .0 now.
let me see how old it is.
It's since October.
Yeah, I mean, it's 150. I'll give you another 30. But if you want PTI, it's got to be turned in by the next setting. I'm not gonna,
Financial position to have PTI.
right, but I don't want it to get here at 180. Hey, by now we want to do PTI. No,
Discuss that.
okay. So I'm happy to give you 30 days up to 180, but at that point it's clear trial. Have you, okay, so
Oftentimes, sir, we probably could give financially.
it's a true first. Is it a true first? Okay, yeah, for sure. 30 and then clear trial.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, yes,
I'll
sir.
have it. Thank you.
But meaning he's got to accept it at the next setting. Right.
If we do not set. the council.
Right.
Okay.
Hey,
Morning,
Hi, Brandon.
Judge, I had a tweet on Mr. Turner.
on,
Durham? Durham, D-U-R-H-A.
okay, you mind bringing him up?
Yes.
Oh, wait, what's,
His last name, D-U-R-H-A.
Yeah. I'm not saying that.
thank you.
Right.
Oh, I had it. She gave it to me here. Thanks. Right. Good morning, sir. Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000, I'm sorry, DWI. Second, you are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 1 year in Harris County Jail.
Judge, this was reduced. The got warrants.
Okay, right. He's still facing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So it's being reduced to a first. It's still 2 in the eyes of the law. What happens on the next one? Right, 2 to 10 in the penitentiary, and they don't care if you're stinking, falling down drunk. Just the smell of alcohol, with all the deaths that we have in our county, you get pulled over and they say DWI, DWI. You smell like alcohol or dope, it's probably not going to go well for you. Do you understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you are stuck with this until you complete this or it gets revoked. If you do something to violate this agreement, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. We will have a hearing to determine if you violated this agreement. If you do, you were looking at a year in jail. Do you understand? For you to complete this successfully, you must do a DWI repeat offender education class. 2 victim impact panels. No breath test refusal. If you were pulled over, an officer asks you to submit a breath test, you must do it while you're on probation. No drugs, no alcohol. You must maintain a guardian interlock and 25 hours of community service. You understand?
No.
How do you plead to the offense, guilty or not guilty? I am going to find you guilty. I'm going to suspend your license for 1 year. Do not drive until you get a license. Good luck to you, sir. All right, thanks. Okay, I didn't read it down. So we'll wait. We'll wait. I didn't realize.
Yeah, this is what I'll be there.
I don't want to go where you can't keep up. I didn't realize that your computer's. What's that? Oh, wonderful. And it's now the cigarette pad not working good?
Yeah, so I'm getting.
How much do you? I'm gonna continue it. Please advise your client, if one more violation, his ass is going in. That's it. I'm sick of it. One more violation. You hear me? Okay, Dane, what's up, man?
I hear Mr. Hernandez, Your Honor.
Okay,
Judge, I think somebody was gonna sub in, I thought yesterday, they ended up not subbing in, so.
they have not, and we don't.
They never filed anything.
They never
They
filed. I
never
checked
filed
with them, they
it.
never-
Okay, so it's
Yeah.
just
Yeah, we're good.
continue on.
Yeah, we're,
What do you want to do?
I think we're, it's not a second trial.
Okay,
So,
so is she here?
she's here.
Do you mind bringing her up?
Yeah, sure.
So I'm gonna admonish her that once we set it though, that's it. Like all deals are, I'm not gonna do this where everybody's gotta prepare and they gotta plea on the day of
So
so.
we can have like just a week, because I really kind of stopped communicating. She said she was getting a lawyer. When I say stop communicating, I
So-
might go on a week and then setting at that point, but just so we can have an
I'll give you
opportunity.
till next week.
Yeah, that's
Because
fine.
your case
Yes.
is 200 days old. We set cases for trial at 180 days. It's time for you to either accept the agreement or we go to trial. But I'm not, stop. It doesn't matter. You don't need to say anything at this point. It doesn't matter what you say. What matters is that we have so many cases, so much drama. We need to, you know what I mean? So if you want to go to trial, go to trial. But I'm telling you now, once we set it, you will go to trial, kicking or screaming. I don't care if you hire another lawyer on the day before trial. I don't care if you hire a lawyer tomorrow. I don't care. Once we set it, you are going. No more plea bargains at that point. I'm not going to bring a jury here, have everyone prepared, do all this work for you to, okay, you know what? I'm just going to put, no. Once you set it, we go. That's it. Kicking or screaming, you are going to trial. Do you understand?
Yes.
So apparently you guys have not been communicating because you're going to hire someone else. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to set you off to the beginning of next week. It would behoove you to probably get with Dane here to go through the evidence to decide whether you want to set the case for trial or not. Because once you do, we are going. I don't care if you hire someone the day before, like I said. Once we set that day goes.
Okay.
So pick a day, Tuesday, Wednesday next week. Please go through everything with him.
Yes.
But that's the last reset you get.
Okay.
You must either, do you have an agreement on this?
There's an offer on it, Judge.
Okay, you must either accept the plea bargain agreement on that day, or we will set up a trial, and that's the day. All right?
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Hi. Good morning. Lovey? Okay. Okay, is Miss Lovey here? Well, I'd like to admonish her as well. Is she here?
Well, then I guess it's your go that Monday, so we're gonna be the Senate, we're going. It's still something we make go.
I'm just, do you want to talk to her first?
I actually had a very sticky conversation with her, but I thought that I'm gonna change her mind. Actually, for
No, because the problem is that everybody's got to sit here prepared. We have to bother a jury. We get them down here and then they plead to it on the day. It just wastes everyone's time. And that's why we have abysmal numbers for juries anyways, because they get down here, they waste time, and they go, gotta take a day off work. No one likes coming downtown. So, I mean, if you want another week to discuss it, I'm happy to give it to you. But, Chelsea Lovey, come up, ma'am. And then if you guys are interested in PTI, are they, oh, they denied it? Oh, okay. Got it. So I have enough drama in my life. I don't need any more. And I don't like to make jurors mad. I don't like to make people overwork. If you want to go to trial, I'm happy to go to trial with you, but I'm not going to take any more plea bargains after that time. Once you said it, we will go to trial. I'm not going to accept any more plea bargain agreements after that time for everybody to have to do all this extra work, bring in all this. So I'm going to give you until next week, go through the evidence with your lawyer. You need to make a decision on what you want to do. You must either accept the plea bargain agreement or we can set your case for trial. But if you said it, we will go to trial. You understand, man? So I'm not going to sit here. We set it for trial, then you get another 60 days and then, oh, you know what? I'm just going to plead guilty. No. Just now's the time to make that decision because I'm not going to do this and continue to kick the can down the road. And no, if you want to do it and you truly want to go to trial, let's do it. But we will go. All right? Okay. Please. You guys decide. Look,
Well, we go through evidence and everything. We've had this conversation multiple times. So, I mean, if she know for a fact that this is what she want to do.
if this is what you want to do, then do it. But I'm not taking any agreements after today. I have enough drama and I don't need any more. If you want to set it, let's do it. But you will go to trial. I don't need you to make a decision now. You talk, you guys make that decision.
We'll think they do.
You want to try? Okay. All right. So after today, there's no more plea bargain agreement. Do you understand that? Okay. So, just
Judge,
30
April
today.
28th,
I'm sorry?
April 28th.
April 28th. Okay. We're set for trial, April 28th. Okay, thanks. Maria. Hi.
You're on the Councilman Garcia,
Okay,
and he's not on the docket, but this is the gentleman who was here on Friday, Judge. He sent him to go get tested. He did go get tested,
what's your cause number, please?
258-8566.
Oh, he's got a warrant.
Yes, Judge, he revoked his bond on Friday because he didn't come back after he got tested.
Oh, he never went, right?
He did go.
So what happened?
So I received notes from the community care loan this court that he had a bond violation and needed to do a drug test. When we sent him, he had not yet reported to our office, and so then you had revoked the bond, and then but it's in between the time that the warrant went through, he appeared at our office, was able to take the test, but then the warrant was issued.
What are the results of the test?
We have the results, he's, presented positive for THC. And Judge, she was sent for a drug test based on a BVR, but there is no BVR file. I double checked the.
I don't know what is going on. I mean, I'm getting a ton of these where they're not filing the BVRs.
Well, no BVR was supposed to be filed.
What do you mean?
He was never in violation.
He was called to take a test,
He was, yes, he was called because for the previous JLO.
but he didn't go test.
He did go test.
Okay, but he did test, but he tested positive.
Positive.
Okay, so a BVR has to be filed.
And Judge, he tells me that, he was ill, he's got heart problems, he's got stomach problems, and he says, his neighbor who has cancer, will give a gummy,
He's on bond for DWI. This case is now, 7 months old, you know, it just, I don't know. Let me talk to them, figure out. Give me a second, Maria.
Yes, sir.
Let me get them out and then
Yes, sir.
give me 5 minutes,
Yes,
please.
sir.
Mr. LeGrand,
Hey, you guys.
what's up, man?
I have Martin Ginyard,
What's the last name?
Guinyard.
Okay. Tell me.
No, going back to. We reached out to your party, we have not gotten it back yet. It's got all the other evidence, it's less than waiting on.
Okay, how long have you reached out? I'm about to give you another 10-day trial, another 10-day setting. If you don't have it, then it's not coming in. I'm tired of it, man. I mean, justice delayed, justice denied.
Yes, sir.
That's it. So we'll set you for 10 days. If they don't have it,
Just because I know how you keep your docket on a tight leash, we obviously haven't done anything PTI related in like its own. So.
I understand.
Okay, thank
Right, but if they don't have all the discovery, then,
you.
yeah,
Fully
okay.
support.
And now we'll, touche.
Yes.
So, and I'm gonna waive it for the next setting, so they don't have
Thank
to
you.
waste some time. Okay, all right. Thanks, Mr. LeGrand.
10 days for the. How are you?
Hey. So, why?
Bond violations had been appeals. However, it was a curfew violation. He left his house a little too early, 5 a.m., 5:19 a.m.
That's not my problem. My problem is you doing what you want to do when you want to do and not giving a rat's behind about court orders. Right? Because that's the issue. No, I'm debating whether to put him in jail, not reward him with taking his curfew off.
Okay.
Mr. Mayfield didn't get the interlock when he was supposed to, right? The only reason he got it is because I hauled his butt in here, and I think at that point, oh, maybe I better get the interlock.
That was the reason he didn't have to off, was he kind of ground to buy the Chief Somali in the interim because he didn't have a car. He was purchasing a car. Once he purchased the car, and I have the receipt where he purchased the car, he got the interlock the very same day. So he is in compliance now with the interlock.
Show me.
His grand-
Show me.
He gave it to me last week when we grabbed my folder.
Sure. Hey, talk to me. Yeah, come on.
Okay, I did figure it out.
Sure.
The distance is about 5 minutes. It is close by. It does close at 11
Sure.
p.m. though, so she probably will have to stay after to clean up.
Yep.
I'm not sure how much wiggle room you're willing to give her. If not midnight, then can we do 11:30?
I think that's reasonable.
Okay,
Yeah,
all right,
Yeah.
thank you. And there are 2 cause
but
numbers.
only for work.
Yes.
Not Saturday night, not Sunday, only when she's working. We need proof of her schedule, so we know we're not gonna take her word for it. So we need the actual work schedule, so we know.
So it's, you want the actual?
Yeah, so we know. I'm not gonna take her word for it.
Okay,
Yeah,
and so you're extending it till,
to the 11:30
okay.
for work purposes only.
Do you need, so she does have 2 cause numbers. Do you need both?
No,
You
just
have-
let them know. And then is she here?
No, she's not.
So
It's
we'll
off
waive the
topic.
signature
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
for sure.
Thank you.
But we need
Who should I send the work contract?
Veronica.
Oh, got it.
Yeah. Don't email me, just show it to me. Don't email it to me.
I have the buyer's tag. I looked at it last week. He gave it to me, he gave it to me, it's sitting on my desk. So I have it. I'm kind of thinking I can expand it. Put it up here, but it's just not it's sitting on my desk.
What the heck is this?
Those are just pictures that I have.
Okay, whose damn feet are this? This could be your feet, this could be his feet.
The issue is that he did his interlock once he had a car. That's why he put the scram on him, because he didn't have a vehicle at the time. So then he got a car and put it on right away. So he did give me all that information last week.
You know, by that.
Hey, it was Cubero's third violation, not second.
So she gets her. I don't know how you got that. But she just her schedule for. She was doing all of everything.
I'm gonna bring his butt back.
You can see I have, right at the job. Once, us. Oh, yeah, I just go back to my office and about it. Oh, have a good minute. I'll be at the next one. Yeah, you have insight. Can I get your wife to open another one?
I'm sorry. Hey, it's just too much. He's on probation for DWI, picks up another DWI. Now it's a second violation. I'm tired of it. No.
Did get it wrong, he didn't have a car, that's what he had.
He picks up a first DWI, picks up a second DWI, and now he's not, no, it's too much. Come up, you. He's going with you. I told him at the outset of this thing, it's no tolerance. You're now on a second bond violation. You're going to jail today. Unacceptable.
What about?
I don't know. I don't know, Kavita. I have to look at to probation. He's got another DWI. I'm not.
Yes, he saw the treatment program. He also gave me proof of that last week, but I let him do that. So I have to go there.
I'm before I would do anything, I want to do a TRAS on him anyways. Because I don't want him to drag it to felony court, and we're on our way to felony court. We're in since 2024, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on probation for DWI, picks up another DWI. Now we have a second bond. It's just too much.
We'll do it,
Yeah, and we'll set it, it'll probably set for early next week, and then we'll go. Yeah. His bond on the probation is 20, 10 the other one, so probably 30.
Yeah.
No. I have to let him know that we're It's unacceptable that it just continues to happen.
So for the TRS on the sixth, and I recommend the SAT.
Boom. That's it. That's it.
You'll consider.
Yeah.
That's where we were at before.
And you picked up these charges and continue to test positive for alcohol.
And we were there before this, and now another DWI. It's just too much.
I'll talk about it.
Okay, all right, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, and I'm here for Jennifer Gonzalez for money going out, so we're gonna do, you know. She was set for a Markey hearing today, or going to be set for a Markey hearing, but.
What happened to Lonnie?
Yeah, I just gotta take two seconds, because I can use that, and there's the dates, so I want to be out.
Let's go talk in that state.
On first, it says haters.
It's a in. Oh, that's page 20.
Yes, it is. I was just something there.
That's the one that was written. Yes, yes. So it's for the dark house.
But if he's still going, and just better with some.
I'm doing some Jupiter stream. It works for me. No.
Okay. Or sexually.
I'll start again. You have
Just to give you.
Hey, Veronica, can you tell me what Miss Gonzalez? Does she have a scram on right now? Or she has bond violation. Does she have bond violations? Hold on, Kavita. Hold on. You know what? Don't go anywhere. She has bond violations. Hey, come on up.
Morning, Judge.
Hi.
How are you?
What's up?
Yes, sir. I have a bucket bond amendment request.
Okay.
Hey, Judge.
What is it?
260.
Okay.
5078. It's Sir Zig Rang.
Okay.
Mr. Zig Rang is currently in an inpatient facility. He is required to call in every single day or however so often.
I need proof. I need proof that he's actually in an inpatient.
We have something from the facility and we sent it to the report.
Great. Send it to Veronica.
Okay.
And then, how long?
He's gonna be out a few days before his next court setting, so he'll be available for court.
Okay, so just make sure that they know
Okay.
for that particular date.
Okay.
The minute he gets out, we need to know. If he gets out and doesn't let us know he's in violation, just let him know.
Thanks, Judge. And
Okay.
we waive his,
Signature, yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Hi, Clay.
Hey,
What's up?
Waiting Seville?
Oh, you want to do it?
Yes.
Got it. All right. Ms. Seville, come up. One day, you're going to look at today and you're going, why didn't I get that done? You had the opportunity to have this thing dismissed. Today, and hereforth, for the rest of your life, this DWI will appear on your record. Anytime you get pulled over, officers will see this DWI. If you smell like alcohol or dope, what do you think is going to happen? It's a very good possibility. So for the rest of your life, if you get in a car, if you've had a sip of alcohol, don't drive. Do you understand? What we're doing today, it's a minimum of 30 days in jail from now on. There are no more proverbial slaps on the wrist. Do you understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you are stuck with this forever. You can never change this. Do you understand? Is this what you want to do, ma'am? How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty, sentence you to 3 days in jail.
1 day.
You have 1 day credit. I am going to suspend your license for 180 days. Do not drive until you get a license.
Judge,
Thanks.
Can we start the suspending 7 to 10 days from now so I can file a petition for the restricted?
No, I have to start it now.
I've done it.
I got to start it now. I mean, today she gets sentenced. I'm going to start it now.
Okay.
And I don't know if I'm going to grant, you know,
I understand.
I mean, file it, we'll take a look, but if I need to look at how she's been doing. Has she been just consuming alcohol the entire time? Has she been in violation of her guardian interlock? She was supposed to have an interlock now. You know, I'm not going to put my name on a license if someone's going to go out and, you know,
I will go over all that with you.
right. So,
She had multiple skip tests on her device. She had violations at least 3 times on her device. They admonished her in the reason about this.
I have some information that I can present on others.
I don't know, but, okay, good luck to you, man. All right, Victor,
How are you, Judge?
it's way too much drama today, man. It's a freaking Thursday, man.
I'm trying to
It's
reduce
like
the
it's a
drama.
Friday today, man.
I'm
What
gonna
the
try to
hell?
reduce the drama, Judge,
Please,
but I'm gonna add a little bit of drama.
tell me something nice.
You're a great judge.
Oh, stop it.
So Judge,
Like told me I had hair.
as much as I do,
Right.
I wish I had as much as you do.
Touche.
So Judge, I'm approaching on an off-docket issue.
What's your cause number?
Cause number is 2602716. I talked to you about this case right before spring break about trying to reinstate Mr. Washington's bond. He is present today in court.
Okay,
I tried to get here last week, Judge. I was on spring break last week, so I couldn't come last week. So this is the first time that I could get here before Your Honor. Like I said, he is present in court. When we spoke the last time, we figured out the reason why the violation happened.
yeah, he didn't show.
Well, remember, I showed you the text messages and we confirmed with the pretrial officer.
Oh, that's right, that's right, that's right. I remember now.
That he had received messages that he didn't have to come in that day. The reason on your end is that he violated is because on your bond paperwork, you had put a specific date for him to appear to take a drug test, which was February the 5th, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, February the 5th, fees waived. You put it directly on the bond paperwork. So when he received that message
from the text message saying, you don't have to come in today. He followed the most up-to-date information that he had, which was,
Come up, Mr. Washington.
he's got a portable device, Judge. He doesn't have any violations.
He's not being monitored.
He's still blowing into it.
Don't matter. He's not being monitored.
For what it's worth, you didn't forfeit his bond until February the 19th, Your Honor. So he had from February the 5th to February the 19th to continue going, which he did.
Till the 13th.
Oh, 13th, sorry. So he continued blowing. He didn't have any skip tests, any violations or anything.
My main concern is that you are not using. That includes marijuana, that includes alcohol, that includes cocaine, that includes PCP. Anything that is legal, you are not allowed to use. I'm going to reinstate your bond today, but it will not happen again. If you violate conditions again, and I don't care how minute it is, you will go to jail. Your bond is 5,001 now. It's just going to double and triple. Do you understand? So as of today, I will test you 40 days from today. If you test positive, it's not going to go well. Do you understand? Did you get the cause number, Veronica?
Yeah, I spoke to her before.
Okay. So
with
bond
regardless
reinstated, all conditions will continue.
Correct.
No drugs, no alcohol.
Regardless of what he receives on the message saying don't come in.
But if they
on
say
that
to
day,
come
you have to
in,
go in.
he's got to go in.
Yes.
Right. I am just going to test him 40 days from today.
Correct. That's what I'm saying, Judge. 40 days from whatever date that lands on. If on that day he receives a message from the text that's saying, you don't have to come in today. I'm letting
We're
him
going to
know that he
reset
has
his
to go for
case.
that day.
We're going to reset his case 40 days from today.
Perfect. Excellent.
That way he comes here and he goes test. If they should call him,
Before, then he still goes.
then he's still got to go.
Absolutely.
Do you understand? Also, as a condition, no contact with the complaining witness in this case, no weapons. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And stay in contact with your lawyer.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Okay. Martin.
Hey, Judge, I was just reset. I'm so sorry. I just wanted to tell you, I just got an email from Victoria. We're missing 911s and a rip on this client. She was.
What's the last name, Martin?
Navarro.
Navarro. Okay, give me a second. Let me look it up.
For the 30th for that one.
Is it an old case?
No.
No, Your Honor. I'm just stuck up in 487. So I
Yeah,
just-
yeah, okay, yeah. What day you
Thank you,
say?
Judge.
April 28th.
Are you good with the April 28th?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and it'll still be waived.
Awesome. Thank you, Judge.
Okay,
Ready
man,
to
have
use?
fun.
Have a great day.
You too. Okay. Ready? Please. The bond violation is that she failed to go test, I think. Are you talking to him now? Or your 11-year-old? You want to wait? I mean, really? Veronica, Miss Gonzalez, does she have bond violations?
She currently on 3
On what,
Right now, please.
what day?
On 3-5. Oh, sorry. Let me go and do it. It's, yeah, it's presently positive 3. But then it was, confirmed by lab.
But it was what?
It was presumptive positive for THC, but then when they sent it to the lab, it came back negative. That's also the phone.
So. Does she have a scram on right now? She needs one today. I'm setting your case for a hearing on the motion to revoke your probation. You must be here April 6th, correct? In the interim, they're going to call you to test. If you fail to appear, then likewise, your bond will be revoked again. Your bond is set at $60,000 now. If it has to get revoked again, it's going to go way higher. Do you understand? Okay. Okay, so we'll just have her sign conditions. You are not, she doesn't have a license, does she? It's Gonzalez is the last name.
She does have a license to run right now.
Well, no, I know, right. I know she has one. Is it eligible though?
Not eligible.
Okay, you are not allowed to drive. Do not drive. You understand? Okay. All right, we'll have her sign conditions and we'll see you in 2.5 weeks. Okay,
Did you want to get these connections?
everything, right? Yeah. No. It's too much. He's going in.
Previous conditions to be imposed.
On Mayfield? He's going in custody now, so I guess so. Yeah, I guess, but he's going, I'm, no. He's got 2 open DWIs. No. I want to make sure because in the interlock, if you don't drive, then you can't, then. I don't know. Sorry. Oh, well, those are the 2. So just revoke the PR bonds. We'll leave the bond that is, just no PR bonds and law violation.
Okay.
And then I'll do bail order here momentarily as well. Hi, Tiffany. What's up?
I missed my setting yesterday. I apologize.
It's not a big deal. Is your client here?
No, but we reset it for a week and then you required the client's appearance and he lives in Louisiana. His appearance wasn't required yesterday.
Okay. What's your cause number? Let's take a look at it. And then is it old though? It's old.
Is that all?
That's it's 100, over 180 days.
The other thing is I have filed a motion to suppress on this. I'm still investigating and I may need to hire someone.
Well, no.
Okay.
We're at the clear trial setting. So we gotta, no. What's your cause number?
258-387-501.
On Orrego?
Yes, sure.
Okay. So you're over 180 days old. It's now time to set it. Is there an offer on the case?
Yes, Your Honor, it's all right.
Okay.
Probation.
You gotta do it now. So how do we go forward?
When you say we gotta do it now,
You're over 180 days old. You're 7 months old. So it's time to set it or he's got to accept the plea bargain agreement.
yeah, so I would ask for one more reset, and this is why, because I originally was not on his case, when he first picked it up. I came into this case about 90 days after.
You got appointed 6 days after.
I'm not appointed on this case.
Oh, well, but you got hired on 6 days after. It's 7 months. We set case for trial at 180 days. I'll give you 3 weeks, but he's got to be here in 3 weeks.
Okay,
And then it's plea or trial. He's got to accept it that day or we set it
okay.
and that's it. Okay. Did you get the cause number? So 3 weeks, plea or trial must appear. Okay, all right.
Thank you.
Yes. Give me 1 second. I'm doing 15 things.
I understand.
Conditions on. Okay, right now. No, that's Chavez. Did I do Chavez? I did Chavez. Okay, talk to me.
Good morning, y'all.
Hey, what's up?
The 2 cases I'm here on, both of them, either one of my clients are here, both their appearance was waived. Look, they're set for bond.
One checked in though.
One did check in, but it's not here now.
They left.
I did give them a call.
Okay, so on both of them, we'll set them for 1 week. They've both got to be here.
Yes.
If they're not here at that point, I'll revoke and I'll grant your motion. Otherwise, we'll have a talking with them.
Thank you.
Okay?
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care. A week, SFBF. Hey. Oh, this is just another 1 page. I need a policy.
Yes. Señor Rodríguez, voy a tomar su firma para usar esa confianza. Como esté listo, me puede dar su firma.
So, hi, Alan. What's up, buddy?
Well, I've got 2.
Just the last names, please.
Godfrey. Just Godfrey.
Let me just.
6, 37, and 38.
Okay.
Based on the age of his oldest case, I'm approaching, however, he's picked up several offenses in the place of first case. On April 11th, he was just, received an offer his felony case.
Wow, what would they offer him?
15 years.
15 years? Oof.
So, I haven't had a chance to speak with him about that. I'm going to contact him, as a I'd like to, you said. So that-
Yeah, absolutely. Of course. Right. And Alan, hopefully we can,
Yes. Yes.
right. Did you put an offer?
On our case.
Right. So I have a global.
Yeah, I'm gonna reach out to about 8.
Okay.
See if we can do
Yeah.
bonds.
Okay. Who's next?
That's it, Your Honor.
Oh, that's it? Okay.
Thank you.
Easy money. Have a great day.
So, 5, they're short.
Veronica? On Cubero, new test early next week, please. That'd be great. Yeah. Okay, Maria, give me, are you ready? Come on up.
Well, I'm asking the court that the view will reinstate his original bond.
I think that was good.
He's got both devices, right? He's got the portable and the government allowed, but he's not driving, so he said you should. Put him-
What's the last name of your client again? Last name?
Garcia.
Oh, I lost the cause number because what are your cause number again, please?
258
Okay,
8566.
So this would be the last one. I'll just get someone to come for
he's been gone since,
Friday. The 13th.
he was supposed to be here Friday?
He was here. And then he went to go get tested,
Oh, that's right.
but he didn't come back. He said
But he still tested positive for THC.
presumptively positive for THC.
When do we say when? When do we say when? He's been on bond since October of last year. He knows he's not supposed to use and he's testing positive. And he fails to, when do we say when?
Well, it hasn't been confirmed, Judge, but I,
So
Like
let's
I
do
said,
this.
he-
Let's do this. I'll send him for another drug test right now and we'll just confirm, but come up, Mr. Garcia.
the paper was here, Judge,
Oh,
but she.
no, toma asiento, toma asiento.
She was.
Calla.
She was.
I'm sending him for another one now. We'll roll it till tomorrow and if he's negative, great. But is discovery complete on the case?
We'll get it right now, Your Honor. You're waiting on.
I mean, your case is super old too, man. What,
We're just waiting to, we need to get in contact with the complainant.
can you try to do it today, please? We'll roll it till tomorrow. That way we can be ready with everything.
Back tomorrow, just.
Yeah, we're gonna send him now. I'm going to momentarily reinstate it now for him to go take a test and then we'll roll till tomorrow and then we'll address it
Yes.
tomorrow. Okay?
Thank you. Y mañana regresas de mañana mismo.
Maybe, what's going on?
You need to bond for him.
Oh, and just another thing.
Garcia, you have it? Okay.
He was, this happened Friday, the 13th, this past Friday. Then over the weekend, I spoke to him Friday afternoon.
I don't want to hear excuses. I mean, you know what you can and can't do. Hi, can we borrow, come up, Mr. Garcia. You are on bond for a serious case. You were told what you can and can't do. You know everything you put in your body can possibly put you in jail. Yet you do regardless. It is up to you to know what you put in your body. There are no excuses. Do you understand? I don't want to put you in jail unless it's absolutely necessary. So I'm going to send you for another test today. We will reset your case tomorrow. If you fail to appear, if you fail to take the test, your bond will be revoked. Do you understand? Take a seat. Okay. Okay. Over there.
Judge, for this one, you're gonna send out the test today? No, I'm on my own for tomorrow. But I haven't done it yet. Well. All right, how's this the third? I'll have it. Oh, wow. I think that's enough for. Sure, right, I had his note, yeah, that's Veronica, please, behind you. It is Veronica. Thank you. Basically, and. Jennifer Gonzalez. Right, that's what you do. Yes. We'll give you those.
Okay.
Almost done, go ahead and have a seat if I can. Yeah, no, I was harassing today. Sorry, I was like. Okay, Judge, for top of 7 Chavez, I know you revoked the bond. How much was it?
I'm leaving it as is. I'm just no more PR bonds.
Oh,
Hey,
Good morning, Your Honor.
what's up?
Your Honor, I have Mr. Jamie Godfrey.
Sure.
Mr. Godfrey has asked that I reapproach to ask if the court would consider a bond reduction.
Nope. Sorry.
Understood. Thank you.
All right. Can we go through the list?
yes, Judge, page 1. He left yesterday, so I will look for today.
5001.
Theo?
See. Yeah, on both. Yes. No, I won't. No.
5,000.
1. Bottom of page 3.
Bottom of, 3, no, Judge,
That,
bond it out. The-
okay.
put the bond it on it.
I got a supervision order on 4. Page 4.
Bottom one is.
Oh, okay.
Sorry to be.
It's okay. Don't worry about it.
If the state were inclined to get a timeshare offer, will be educated for Mr. Godfrey.
Yeah.
State, what do you think?
I'm seeing it.
Let's do this. It's already 12. Let's roll till tomorrow. Let them confirm. I'm okay with it if they are.
I would be good with the 1 week reset, you know, because I would. want-
Okay, you go for it. Yeah.
I just want to confirm to make sure that our misdemeanor is not in the field or
Hmm.
there, and so I don't later on anything.
Yes, I am okay with it.
So, if it's okay, let's just keep it for the actual reset date. I'll be calling Mr. Docket, not coming off property.
Okay.
Let's do that.
Yeah, I'm okay with it.
Thank you.
For sure.
Thank you.
That is from Mr. Elaine, the one they ordered in Scrappy, today, I put
Okay.
So I think, I don't know, also into this next setting.
15,003.
All right, let me see.
Let me, you know what, let me,
Stay, oh, okay, then you don't, you approach it with, I think everyone is. I'll be emailing
who's next?
He gets bottom 12. It's a way of appearance, but I told Carlos, you know, we're getting the person to approach for him. Cause he's at 178.
Joseph, please. And this is Judge Fleischer in Court 5. Thanks. Very good. Wow. Okay, you don't have the call already? That's it? Ali, or Alan, sorry, Alan. 1 week, SFPF.
He said he's gonna be on vacation. He has strep. He's not gonna be here all week, and then he's on vacation following 10 days.
Yeah, just if you can leave the message that the client left without signing conditions, and he has until the end of docket to make it back.
No driving after vacation.
And he has until about, 1:30 to 2 to make it back to defend. Okay? That's it. Thank you. Okay, so you said he's got strep.
Yes, Carl said he has strep.
He can still zoom in.
He said he can't, I did tell him, could you send somebody? He said. "Oh,
No. You don't have, he can zoom in.
I told him that, George, I said, you can zoom on or send somebody this way, and he said, I can't talk. So I forwarded his email to Parker, I said, if you give them permission, they'll send somebody to come help you out today. For this case, and then Kirkland's after that.
Okay, so just, I guess, do one week SFBF. Just do a week today, a week from today. Client must show up. He can zoom in. He can zoom in from Austria. He can zoom in from Abu Dhabi, from Mandarin, China. He can zoom in from the Serengeti in Africa.
How do you spell that?
SER.
But we've given this dude nearly 2 months to get one class done? No, sir. That's it. Hey, talk to me.
They said that he's in the waiting room trying to get in.
Oh, there he
Just
is.
got off the phone with him. I have a fugitive client on docket area. He has refused to sign an extradition waiver. He does not consent to give Louisiana.
Okay, so do you mind bringing him out?
Yeah. Also, I told him about setting a bond amount. This is.
We'll talk as soon as he gets out. We'll
Okay,
talk.
perfect.
Don't worry about it.
Perfect.
I'll talk to him. He's the master of his own domain. He can do whatever he wants. We'll just get a what's it called?
It might be a governor's.
A governor.
Yeah, I
Sure.
just will think about that.
Where's he want it from?
Louisiana.
Oof, man, he'd be sitting here 90 days when he could be out of here on Monday or Tuesday.
He seemed very confident, lucid. I don't know if this is one of those sovereign citizens.
Well, oh, that's okay. I love
Yeah,
sovereign
yeah,
citizens.
So we'll see, but I mean, Louisiana is a corrupt state.
Are they?
One of the most corrupt states. in the country.
Really?
Yeah, like. they
You
have the
too?
highest- They have like the most corrupt police departments.
Wow.
Known for that.
So be careful where you go then.
Yeah, well, and also like the governor's always getting indicted and fair.
Oh, yeah, I've read a lot. I've seen how, be careful where you drive, especially if you have a lot of money, because they like to, not they specifically, but other places will confiscate and just big business, I guess, All right, come on, man. Who's next?
Page 17, why don't you ask what is?
So bottom of page 17,
Yes.
5001.
Yeah, because it's a PPR.
No.
Oh.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
You were wanted out of the state of Louisiana, specifically for cyber stalking, is that electronic mail?
It's false statement concerning denial of constitutional rights, which is a felony, and cyber stalking by email, which is a misdemeanor.
That's what you're wanted for.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
You have several things that you can do. You can fight extradition, you can waive extradition, you can refuse to sign for extradition. You know, we have so many buses coming in and out of Louisiana that if you were to waive extradition, you probably will be back to Louisiana Monday at the latest Tuesday, because we literally have so many people in our jail from Louisiana, they shuffle them in and out constantly. So we have buses coming in and out. If you don't want to and you want to refuse extradition, you can, but they will get a governor's warrant, which will probably take around 90 days, give or take. So instead of being back within the, you know, in less than a week, you'll be sitting for several months waiting for a governor's warrant, which if and when they do get it, at that point, they can force you to go back to Louisiana. Do you
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your other option is to try to seek a bond. I don't know if I would give you one. It depends on who you are, depends on what kind of criminal history, depends on whether the state objects to it, and all these types of things. What I can do is I can have you talk to your lawyer to see what you would like to do, and then we go from there.
Judge, I explained to Mr. Theriot the options in the holdover. I discussed with him what the mechanics of requesting a bond would look like, that we would have to come back in 14 days, but it still doesn't resolve him on taking care of these warrants.
You mean of the,
Of the Louisiana, so he would still at some point have to set foot in Louisiana to take care of those warrants. He informed me that he was not feel comfortable going to Louisiana or even going over there to take care of those warrants, so I don't think that.
you have to at some point, you can't run forever.
So I don't think that requesting a bond would be effective or, you know, would be the route to take at this time. He would like to request, he would like to go down the governor's, order route.
You just want to wait for another 90 days?
Well, I don't want to wait for 90 days, sir, but I didn't flee the state of Louisiana from my understanding regarding extradition proceeding in Texas.
Someone in Louisiana is not happy with you and they issued a warrant. I have no idea what happened. I wasn't there. Only you know exactly what happened. At the end of the day, I can't tell them to recall the warrant. I cannot tell them, hey, man, just let him go. You know, I can't. Well, number one, I would get in trouble. And I just can't do these things. It's up to them whether they want to recall the warrant, whether it's a good warrant. I have no idea. All I know is that there's a warrant in place and it will always be there until you go to Louisiana and take care of it. So, you know, you're literally going to be looking over your back forever.
Judge, so Mr. Theriot provided me the phone number of a criminal defense counsel that he had previously in the state of Louisiana. If I could just have him rolled over, get in touch with his attorney, see if there's any way that we can take care of these warrants remotely or see if there's any there. Because Mr. Theriot informed me that he hasn't even been living in Indiana since like 2017. So I don't know if this is if this is like their equivalent of a 2B warrant, or if it's just like new cases that were filed recently.
Do you have, Mr. Kim, do you have any information regarding this?
I do. This is not an FTA, Judge. This is a 2B warrant, and it's from about 2 years ago. And because of the nature of the offense, it doesn't require him to set actual physical presence in Louisiana, much like our electronic and financial offenses. I haven't gotten the affidavit. I did speak with the extradition prosecutor in Louisiana, who's supposed to be sending over documents, but she did say that this defendant is subject to a lifetime protective order stemming from a 2016 stalking and cyber stalking case for a domestic. Now, those charges, at least one of them, did result in dismissal because a lifetime protective order was placed against him. And my guess, again, I have not seen the affidavit, is that this new cyber stalking and potentially this false statement concerning denial of constitutional rights, which is effectively a false report sort of analog for Texas, the Texas Penal Code, is that that's what's happening here. But again, I have not seen the affidavit. That's just my best assumption based on what I have so far.
So as you well know, computers can be used to gain access to many places all over the world. Even though you don't step foot in Abu Dhabi, using a computer, you can get into things in different countries, different states. And so depending on what happens where, other states may issue warrants, even though you never physically step foot in there. It appears that this may be that situation. So why don't we roll it till tomorrow?
I was gonna propose that we can roll it over to Monday. I could have, because I'm not gonna be here tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
I can roll it over to Monday. I would like to get in touch with who he used as his criminal defense counsel. He also provided me the phone numbers of 2 other friends of his. If there's a way that we can remotely take care of these warrants, if what he's saying is correct.
I'm happy to do whatever you want to do. If you want to wait till next week, we can, but the problem is that you refusing extradition now, you're not earning credit. So typically what happens is once someone waives extradition, we give that state 14 days to come get you. If they don't come get you within that 14 days, we release you. We're literally walk out of the jail here.
But would the warrant still be there?
And it will always be there until you take care of it. So you could theoretically, like Harris County releases you because they never pick you up. If an officer is walking across the street, knows that you have a felony warrant, they could literally pick you back up right there as you walking out of jail, put you right back into jail, and then you're gonna have to wait another 14 days. So it's always gonna happen until you take care of that warrant over there.
If they attempt to get the governor's warrant and fail, or magistrate's warrant and fail,
It's not gonna fail.
it's not gonna fail.
And I've spoken with the extradition prosecutor, and she has indicated they will get a governor's warrant for him.
They will.
Judge, if I could just roll it over to Monday, like I
Sure.
said, I have quite a few contact information for his latest criminal defense attorney that he had on some of the original cases that Dave referenced out of Louisiana. Maybe get in touch with him. It seems like there might be a way to remotely take care of these warrants without him having to set foot in
Sure.
Louisiana.
Like I said, I'm happy to do whatever you want to do. If you want to wait till next week, great. Just know that by just sitting here and refusing, you're not earning any credit. And then once you do, if you do, at that point, you will start earning credit toward Louisiana coming to get you. You could be back there within the next, 4 days, once it happens. So give or take, I don't know.
Sure.
So you guys decide, let me know what you want to do. If you want to wait till Monday, Tuesday, happy to do it. If you want to waive now, happy to do it. If you want to refuse, happy to do it. You tell me.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
All right. Hopefully I'll be back in court in person next week. I'm only contagious until tomorrow, so.
Are you still under the weather, Mr. Kim?
I am, Judge.
Oh my goodness.
So
I hope you feel better, bud.
Thank you, Judge. I'll see you remotely tomorrow.
Okay. Take care, friend.
Bye.
Bye. All right. Bring it.
So top of 20 Mayfield is 30,000 what?
3 on both.
Bottom of 22 is a required appearance.
Anna just took off, so no dice.
And on left, she has other cases open. Oh, okay. It's from Felony. Oh, that's the one I was just talking about. It's that one, Judge, page 22. Bottom of 20.
What about it?
Gonna plead.
I mean, can you call her? Or I'll call her. Let me, 'cause people be up in felony court until 5 o'clock. Who's next after that? That's it?
Hey, Sean, you have Parker Desmond, the notice thing. Are we expecting an audio on that one?
No,
Okay.
I was told that we would be refiling that under the appropriate theft range.
Okay, I'll put it on for the 30th with all the others.
Okay.
Because I see that
All right, Judge. Governor's warrants it is.
What happened?
Governor's.
Governor's warrants? Okay, yeah. Hi, Sam. What's new, man? Been a while.
You're with the back now.
You what?
I'm with the back now.
Oh, thanks for the warning. I'm just kidding.
Someone needs to reach. I don't even know who, I was just asking. So.
Hold on, let me turn off. I think we're basically done. Let me turn off the live stream.